Hello friends, hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is called Odia Girl of Substance. Like all my other videos, this video is also going to be interesting. Please do not change the channel and watch this video till the end. And if you like it, do subscribe it. So let's get started. We talk of so many things. We talk of happiness. We talk of love. We talk of self-love. We talk of happiness, and happiness in some people is a genetic thing. In happiness, some people is consciously achieved. Do you know that 40% of happiness comes from consciousness? So in today's video, your friend Swapna, is going to discuss with you how to love yourself. Let me make things very clear for you. All the pain and anxiety that we have in our life is because we are not happy and we are cribbing about things. So first and foremost, first tip, fake it till you make it. Stay happy, whatever it takes. If you cannot, then simple tip is a simple tip. Just place a reminder call on your phone after every 3 hours. Remind yourself that now you need to be happy. Even if you are faking that smile, there is nothing wrong, because when you smile, you release endorphin. And endorphin is really good for your health. So why not you fake it till you make it? I'm sure there are days when you smile at a person, be it a family member, and that person do not revert back to your smile. Well, do not stop smiling or do not feel bad about it. Ask me why? Because their day is shitty, not yours. And by stopping that beautiful smile on your face, what are you doing? You're making your day shitty as well. So keep smiling, release endorphin, and be happy. You will love yourself. A very important second point. You need to do self-care. Ask me what? Well, a very small example from my side. I'm sure you must have boarded a flight sometime in your life, or you must have recently. What does the air hostess say, or what does she announce? That first, when the oxygen mask comes down, wear it and help yourself. Likewise, before taking care of your family, your children, your husband, your in-laws, take care of yourself, because you are important. Taking care of yourself will make you love yourself. Do something that is exciting, something that is giving you a kick. I'm sure a lot of us in past had so many hobbies that we have left behind in life and move forward in life and taking up different responsibilities and roles in our life. Why not bring back those hobbies in your life? Do something that had been giving you those kick and made you feel excited in past, and you have stopped doing it, such as join a book club. You can go for paragliding, you can go for rock climbing, or any other thing that you love. I'm sure a lot of female who are watching my video today are housewives and they mostly stay at home. It's a small request from your friend Swapna that make it a point to go outside, meet the world, greet the world, see the world. Because when we female, we go out, we see the world, we learn a lot of things. Our horizon, our way of thinking, it increases, it widens, and we know our capability, how we also have a position in this world. So I would request all of you who want to be happy in their life, first and foremost, try to go out. Because, well, this is a very important point. Be it female, be it men, all of us, we human being, we have a lot of ego problem. So first and foremost, if you want to be happy in your life, keep apart your ego. Don't indulge so much in yourself. Do not think a lot about yourself. Keep it aside. Just be normal, take it easy in life. When you take it easy, things are really sorted. For example, if someone whom you want to convey something, you're feeling, you're talking to them, but they are not paying attention, it's fine to not take it on your ego. Before I end my video of happiness, I'm going to put across small tips from me that I personally do in my life to remain happy. And those are, I like greenery, so I love to stay in green places so that my mind is really fresh. I do one more thing, that I read this book that is of Sadhguru. That I do is I talk to kids sometime, because they are the one whose brain and mind is really untouched. They have no filter, and when they talk, they really give happiness. So friends, these were a few tips from your friend Swapna. In case you found this really interesting, really informative, and sometime it is going to help in your life, then please share with the near and dear ones, and do like it. Thank you.